Vishwadipti High School is a Christian institution which was established by the Catholic Diocese of Jagdalpur in the year 2005, having the motto of truth, love and service. The main vision of the school are academic excellence, perfect discipline, personality development and creating a better citizen of India. We are proud to say that Vishwadipti High School has never let you down. Maybe curriculum or co-curriculum activities. We have created history in every field and in the life of students. It's my privilege to announce that Vishwadipti High School has travelled long distance by overcoming every obstacle and milestone in achieving its goal of serving the people of Narayanpur. Ladies and gentlemen, our students are going to present an annual report of our school for the years 2020-2023.
Once again, a warm good evening and hearty welcome to all the dignitaries. Esteemed Chief Guest of the evening, Shri Puskar Sharma IPS and His Excellency Most Reverend Dr. Joseph Kolamperumal CMI, the Bishop of the Diocese of Jagdalpur, our President, our Guest of Honor Mr. Krishna Gota, the BEO of Narayanpur, Reverend Father Santosh, our Manager, Reverend Fathers, Sisters and Brothers, government officials, principals and staffs of different schools, parents, well-wishers, teaching and non-teaching staffs and dear children, good evening. Dear esteemed audience, may I take this opportunity to introduce my teammates. We have Ms. Disha Manjhi and Khushi Jaipuri as our ground reporters. Khushi, will you please read out our academic events of 2020-23?
Yes, of course. Our friends have done extremely well. During the COVID pandemic, we were unable to conduct our normal school activities in the year 2020-21. The pandemic and consequent lockdown which hit the world provided an opportunity to tap the potential of digital education. After a long break, school was reopened in September 2021. It was indeed difficult to bring the students back to pen and paper. Students who remained hooked to digital screen are now back to classrooms. The contribution of able, well-trained, energetic teachers and staff enabled the children to attain better knowledge in every subject. To maintain students' mental, physical and psychological health, school has organized many programs and seminars on mind training. The section was conducted gender-wise for all the students from class 6th and above. Dear friends, during the academic year 2020-21, our class 10 students could not appear for the board exam due to the second wave of COVID pandemic. Still, we appreciate for their hard work and great contribution toward the school by achieving 97% marks by 8 students.
Ms. Khushi, sorry for interrupting. We have Mikil Nag, our ex-student, joining the show from Kota, Rajasthan.
Well, talking about the experience I had in my school, the school days were the best days I ever had in my life. I was blessed with such an amazing, talented, supporting, caring and loving teachers and got many friends that are with me forever. Being a student at Vishwadipti High School has been a marvelous experience.
Yes, Khushi, you can continue.
Coming to the academic achievements in the years 2021-2022, we secured 100% of result. Shaili Yadav secured 6th rank in state level with 97.50% out of top 10 ranks of the district. We are proud to say that 9 are from Vishwadipti High School. Hearty congratulations to all the achievers for the commendable achievements.
Now we have Mr. Jagjeevan Sahu, the class teacher of class 10, joining with us.
मैं जगजीवन राम साहू, व्याख्याता हिंदी संस्कृत, विश्वदीप्ति हाई स्कूल नारायणपुर। विद्यार्थी जीवन में निम्न 5 बातों को ध्यान में रखना है। काक चेष्ट वक्र ध्यानम स्वान निद्रा तथैव च अल्पाहारी गृह त्यागी विद्यार्थी च पंचरक्षण। कौवे की तरह दृष्टि, बगुले की तरह ध्यान, कम भोजन और कुत्ते की तरह जग जग कर सोना और माता पिता के प्रति समय पर त्याग की भावना। मैं विगत 7 वर्षों से विश्वदीप्ति हाई स्कूल नारायणपुर में अध्यापनरत हूँ। यहाँ पर बच्चों को पढ़ाई के अलावा नैतिक शिक्षा, व्यावहारिक ज्ञान, खेल कूद और वाद विवाद की शिक्षा दी जाती है। यहाँ से बच्चे 10वीं पास होकर निकलने के बाद आज भी उन बच्चों में संस्कार और व्यावहारिक ज्ञान कूट कर भरा हुआ है।
Disha, will you please update us when the new academic section began and the entire development taken place during the year 2022 and 23?
New academic section began on 20th June. The syllabus of our school was discussed and decided in coordination of teachers. On 1st July, we have given the traditional welcome to the new birds of Vishdipti High School. We organized the investiture ceremony and we honored Mr. Deepak Sahu, the Reserve Inspector of Narayanpur, as the chief guest of the program. The aim of the school is developing confidence, self-reliant, compassionate citizen. The students are the building block of the future nation. Hence, to make acquainted with hidden potentiality, we must shoulder responsibility to shape our future. In the presence of the chief guest, our school parliament members took the oath. For the safety and security of our students, the management has installed CCTV cameras in all the classes as well as fire extinguishers in the school premises. Teaching and non-teaching staffs played a vital role to have safe and healthy atmosphere in the school.
Sorry for the interruption. Mr. Sibyl Joseph is here with us. Let us listen to him.
Hi everyone, my name is Shivnas Joseph. I am a teacher of social science in Vishdipti High School. Past 1 year I am teaching in this institution. What I enjoy most in teaching is that I love my students, shows that they love learning. Here in videos, students develop in 4 ways. For example, reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills. They not only develop in academic manner but also in culture and traditional manner, which leads them to live a better life. Thank you.
Khushi, would you share the various seminars that our teachers, principal, students are attending?
It is a privilege that our teachers attended various seminars with view to constructive and dynamic professionals and to equip teachers with the necessary skills and techniques for effective teaching. Our teachers are updated the latest methods that can be applied to help students to have a positive attitude. An English workshop was held in Jagdalpur. Some of our teachers attended the workshop. It was motivation to the teachers to continue to use English during the class hour. Sister Suma, CMC, motivated our students psychologically through her valuable sections. We are privileged to have medical camp in our school once in 3 months to maintain a good health of the students.
Disha, would you please share with our esteemed audience about the various celebrations and events held during the academic year?
Wow! Celebrations in the school gives more enjoyment and at the same time we also learn to take up the responsibility and grow in our talents. We do celebrate national and state festival in our institution grandly. We have celebrated the Independence Day grandly with competitions, rangoli, rakhi making, fancy dress, and the chief guest of the day was Mr. Jitendra Shukla, IPS, the Chief Commandant of 16th Battalion, Narayanpur. Oh, how can we forget the celebration of Teachers' Day? After all, it was the most valuable day in the life of every student to be grateful to their teachers. On 26th April 2022, there was a great opportunity to Vishnudipti High School, that is Science Fair exhibition followed by cultural program. We honored to have Mr. Anil Vada, the former district court judge, and many other dignitaries. Our dedicated teachers and students worked hand in hand to make this event a successful one. We eagerly waited for the Children's Day. Our teachers made this event with great effort as a joyful event. We conducted Annual Sports Day on January 20th and 21st of 2023. This day brought out the great achievements and the hidden talents of the students.
Khushi, would you tell me various achievements that the students of Vishnudipti School achieved in this school and out of the school?
Yes, of course. The great achievement are: Yash Kumar Varda of our school has shown his talent in cricket to the country in the last few years. He scored the highest score in Chhattisgarh, first class cricket, last year, and he was selected for the Vijay Merchant Trophy team, and he excelled there in the tournament also. From the month of March 2021, we are giving training in martial arts to more than 130 students from 18 different schools in and around Narayanpur. Students from the academy regularly participate in the state and national tournament. Players from the academy was able to achieve more than 289 medals in the last 2 years. Kumari Chandrakanta Kashyap from class 7 won the silver medal 17th National Matsogido Championship 2022, which was held in Goa in under 17 girls category. Kumari Aparna Dhar of class 8 won gold medal in the state Taekwondo Championship. Sonam Paikara of class 8 won gold medal in the National Malkhamb Championship.
Disha, will you express your gratitude in a couple of words?
As a conclusion, I love to express our most sincere gratitude and heartfelt thanks to all those who contribute their might to the making of this glorious institution as a successful one. Since inception, we have been blessed with visionary leaders whose imagination, insight, and courage called forth the best in teachers and students alike and united them around shared sense of purpose. We take this opportunity to commit ourselves to do our best and invoke blessings from Almighty to enable us to continue the tradition of excellence in all our pursuit.
This is Bhumika Mandavi signing off with reporters Disha and Khushi. Thank you.